Hello rail fans, in this video we're going to look at some older locomotives that we've recently seen on 3 different trains. First up here we've got a Slug set. This is CSX 6401 and 2234. These date back to the C&O Railroad, 1978 for the 6401, and an unknown date on that 2234 as the builder information is not available. It's a GP40-2 with a rebuilt EMD road slug attached to it. This was off Q512, saw this one on Christmas Eve, December 24th, at the Nashville National Cemetery. It was being pulled from Radnor Yard in Nashville up to Avon, Indiana, possibly dropped off somewhere along the way, or potentially even going further on from Avon. Up next we've got Q574. This one's pulling 8831, which is an EMD SD40-2. Dates back to 1977 when it was originally delivered to Conrail. And trailing behind that is CSX 4286, an EMD SD40 that dates all the way back to 1971 in the Clinchfield Railroad. Q574 is a daily manifest that goes from Radnor Yard in Nashville up to Queens Gate in Cincinnati, Ohio. Captured this one on December 27th. And last up here, we've got a train that I caught on the night of January 29th. This one's on Q503, who had just stopped at the Eakin signal, waiting for 2 northbound trains to go by. And so he's just here starting up, and as he goes by, I realize he's got CSX 6533, another EMD GP40. This one dates all the way back to 1971 in the Baltimore to Ohio Railroad. Q503 is a daily manifest that goes from Bar Yard in Chicago down to Radnor Yard here in Nashville, Tennessee. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this look back at some of these 40 to 50 year old EMD locomotives. I know I certainly enjoy seeing some of this older equipment come down the line. Drop a comment. Let us know what your favorite older locomotive is, or maybe even the oldest one that you've seen on an active Class 1 mainline run. Look forward to your comments, and we'll try to answer them each as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.